In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to restore voicemail recordings that you may have accidentally deleted on your iPhone. If you removed an important voicemail by mistake, don't worry, because in many cases it can still be recovered. First, open the phone app on your iPhone and navigate to the voicemail section. On some iPhones, you may see the voicemail tab directly at the bottom of the screen. However, if you don't see it there, simply tap the icon in the top right corner and then choose voicemails from the list that appears. Once you enter the voicemail screen, you will see all the voicemail messages that are currently saved on your device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. There you will find a folder labeled Deleted Voicemails. Tap on that folder and it will show you a list of voicemail recordings that were recently deleted. From here, you can review the deleted messages and choose the one you want to recover. Simply tap on the voicemail recording you want to restore. After opening it, tap the Undelete or Restore icon and the voicemail will instantly move back to your main voicemail list. Keep in mind that these deleted voicemails stay in this folder only for a limited time. If they are permanently cleared from this section, they may no longer be recoverable. So if you notice that an important voicemail was deleted, it's best to restore it as soon as possible. And that's the easiest way to recover deleted voicemail recordings on your iPhone before they are permanently removed. That's how you can restore deleted voicemails on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming tips and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.